If you want to build strength, stay fit, and improve your overall performance, here are 7 essential exercises every man should include in his routine. The classic move for upper body strength. Push-ups target your chest, shoulders, and triceps while engaging your core. Start with 3 sets of 10 and build up. The king of lower body exercises. Squats strengthen your legs, hips, and glutes. Plus, they boost overall athletic performance. Body weight or with a barbell, it's a must. A full-body powerhouse move. Deadlifts target your hamstrings, back, and core while building functional strength. Keep your form tight for maximum impact. A true test of upper body strength. Pull-ups work your back, biceps, and shoulders. Can't do one yet? Start with assisted pull-ups or resistance bands. The ultimate core builder. Hold your body in a straight line, elbows under shoulders, and engage your abs. Start with 30 seconds and progress from there. Strengthen your legs and improve balance. Forward lunges are great for targeting your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Add dumbbells for an extra challenge. The go-to for building chest strength. The bench press works your pecs, shoulders, and triceps. Start light and focus on perfecting your technique. Combine these exercises into a weekly routine, ensuring you work all major muscle groups. Stay consistent, eat well, and you'll see results in no time. These 7 exercises are not just for building muscle. They improve your strength, endurance, and confidence. Make them part of your life, and you'll feel the difference.